Did you know? A simple oil change can be the difference between an engine that gives up at 150,000 miles and one that powers past 500,000. Most people think of oil changes as a boring, routine chore, but here's the truth. The way you do them matters more than you think. I've been working on cars for years, and I can tell you the best mechanics all have their own little oil change rituals. These are small steps most drivers skip, but they make a massive difference in engine health. In this video, I'm going to uncover 13 oil change secrets that will make your engine last over 500,000 miles. Stick until the end because the last secret alone can make your engine last over 400,000 miles. Let's get started. Hack number 13. Change oil earlier than the maximum interval. Many drivers believe they're safe just following the manufacturer's maximum oil change recommendation, often 7,500 to 10,000 miles for synthetic oil. But those numbers are tested under perfect lab conditions, not your daily commute with traffic jams, short grocery runs, dusty roads, or extreme heat. In these conditions, oil breaks down faster, loses its lubrication properties, and struggles to keep contaminants suspended. When oil gets old, it can no longer neutralize acids or keep sludge from forming, leading to sticky piston rings and clogged passages. By changing your oil at 5,000 miles, or every 6 months, instead of stretching it to the limit, you always keep fresh, clean oil circulating. This habit dramatically reduces internal wear and helps your engine last more 500,000 miles. Hack number 12. Warm up your engine before draining the oil. One of the biggest mistakes people make is changing oil when the engine is stone cold. Cold oil is thicker and it clings to the engine's internal parts, meaning a lot of dirty oil stays behind even after draining. But here's the easy fix. Run your engine for just 5 to 10 minutes before changing the oil. This warms it up just enough to flow like water, carrying out more sludge, metal shavings, and microscopic grit that could damage your bearings. I've done this on all my cars, and the payoff is huge. The fresh oil stays clean for much longer, and I know I'm truly giving my engine a clean slate every time. It's such a small tweak, but it's a game changer for engine health. Hack number 11. Use an engine-friendly internal flush. Over thousands of miles, microscopic carbon particles, varnish, and sludge start to coat the inside of your engine. Even with regular oil changes, some of this buildup remains stuck to metal surfaces and in oil passages. A safe engine flush uses a specially formulated additive that loosens and suspends these contaminants so they drain out with the old oil. The safe way is to pour the flush additive into the oil fill, let the car idle for 10 to 15 minutes, and then immediately drain the hot oil. This can result in noticeably cleaner internals, better oil circulation, and even improved performance if sludge was restricting flow. Hack number 10. Change the oil filter every single time. An oil filter traps contaminants that your oil picks up while circulating through the engine. Once the filter's media is saturated, it can no longer trap dirt effectively. Many filters have a bypass valve that allows oil to flow around the filter when it's clogged, which means dirty oil goes right back into your engine. Some shops or budget oil change services skip replacing the filter every time to save on costs, but this is risky. Even if the outside of the filter looks fine, the inside may be full of microscopic debris that accelerates engine wear. A proper filter change is non-negotiable. Without it, the oil change isn't really complete. Always install a fresh, high-quality filter designed for your exact engine. This tiny component is like your engine's kidney. Neglect it and the whole system suffers. Hack number 9. Always replace the crush washer and clean the drain plug. The crush washer is a small metal ring that sits between your oil drain plug and the oil pan. Its job is to slightly deform when you tighten the drain plug and creates a tight seal that prevents oil leaks. Over time, these washers become flattened and lose their sealing ability. If you reuse an old washer, you risk a slow leak that might not be obvious at first until you find low oil on your next check. Since a crush washer only costs a few cents, but it's a cheap insurance that helps to make your engine last over 500,000 miles. Cleaning the drain plug itself is equally important. A quick wipe with a rag or paper towel before reinstallation is enough to remove debris and help keep oil clean for longer. Hack number 8. Pre-fill the oil filter when possible. When you start the engine after an oil change, the oil pump has to first fill the new filter before pressurizing the engine's lubrication system. This dry start lasts only a few seconds but can cause noticeable wear over years of maintenance. Pre-filling the filter cuts this delay almost completely. Simply pour fresh oil into the new filter until it's nearly full before installation. This ensures that when you start the engine, oil pressure builds much faster. For sideways mounted filters, you can't pre-fill fully, but you can at least add a little oil to soak the filter media before installing. Hack number 7, top off with the same oil brand and type. Engine oil isn't just oil, it's a complex mix of base oils and a proprietary additive package unique to each brand. These additives can include detergents, dispersants, anti-wear agents, and viscosity stabilizers. Mixing different brands or types can dilute or disrupt that chemical balance, which can make the oil less effective at preventing wear and controlling deposits. For example, if you have a full synthetic 5W30 from brand A in your car, and you top off with a synthetic blend, 5W30 from brand B, you've just reduced the synthetic's performance benefits. The safest approach is to always check your owner's manual or oil cap. It's not a suggestion, it's a survival guide for your engine. That way you maintain consistent lubrication and protection until your next oil change. Hack number 6, capture and inspect old oil. Most people drain their oil straight into a pan and dump it without a second thought. But here's the thing, your old oil is like a blood sample for your engine, and it's telling you a story, if you're willing to listen. Whenever I do an oil change, I catch the drained oil in a clean container and give it a closer look under good lighting. I check the old oil for shiny metallic particles, which could mean bearing wear, a milky-colored look that whispers coolant leak, or a strong fuel smell. I once saved a friend's engine by spotting tiny silver flecks in his oil. In this way, we caught an early rod bearing failure before it completely destroyed the motor. Taking just 2 extra minutes to inspect the old oil can mean catching problems early, before they turn into $5,000 repair bill. Hack number 5, check for leftover old oil. Here's something even seasoned DIYers overlook. Leftover oil from the last change hiding in the wrong places. Some engines trap oil in pockets like the oil cooler, remote filter housings, or even the top end if the drain plug isn't in the lowest spot. If you don't let it all out, that old oil mixes with your fresh oil and cuts its lifespan right from the start. I have drained cars where a full quart of filthy oil came out after the first drain, just because we tilted the car slightly or removed an extra plug. The trick is to know your engine layout and give it time to drip completely. Sometimes even removing the oil filter first helps release more old oil. The cleaner your oil starts, the longer it can protect. So don't let the last oil change haunt your new one. Hack number 4, top off between changes. Here's where even careful people mess up. They fill the oil, close the hood, and drive off. Bad idea. This is one of the quickest ways to shorten an engine's life. After you fill and run the engine for a minute, you've got to shut it off, wait, then check the dipstick again. Sometimes the oil level drops as the filter fills, and you'll need to top it up. However, never overfill. Extra oil can foam, which destroys lubrication. Keeping oil at the perfect level ensures constant lubrication and cooling. That prevents the silent wear that slowly kills engines before they ever see 200K miles. Hack number 3, use high-quality synthetic oil for maximum protection. There's synthetic oil, and then there's good synthetic oil. Not all synthetics are created equal. Cheap ones may meet the bare minimum specifications, but the high-quality brands are engineered with better base oils that keep your engine cleaner and protected under extreme conditions. I've seen engines run on bargain bin synthetic turn into sludge factories because the oil couldn't handle heat and break down over time. The premium stuff also contains superior additive packages that keep your engine clean, reduce friction, and protect against wear in extreme temperatures. While it costs you more upfront, but it extends change intervals and significantly reduces long-term wear. For ultimate protection, look for oils that meet or exceed your car manufacturer's exact specifications and avoid generic one-size-fits-all blends. Hack number 2, change oil before storing the car, not after. If you're putting your car away for months, like over winter, most people think, I will just change the oil when I start using it again. Wrong. Old oil is loaded with contaminants and acids that slowly eat away at internal engine parts during storage. Changing the oil right before you store the car means your engine sits in fresh protective oil. When you fire it up months later, the internals are clean, lubricated, and ready to go. This is one of the easiest ways to protect your engine you don't run year-round. Hack number 1, always reset the oil life monitor. Modern cars are smarter than ever, but that oil life monitor on your dash is only as good as the information you give it. I've seen customers change their oil but forget to reset the system, so the car keeps thinking it's running on old dirty oil. Then one of two things happens. They panic and change it too early, wasting money, or worse, they ignore the warning later on because they think it's just a glitch. The oil warning light isn't just counting miles. It factors in engine temperature, trip length, and driving habits to calculate when your oil is actually worn out. But if you skip the reset, it's running on bad data. Resetting it is quick, usually just a button combo or menu option, but it keeps your maintenance on track and your engine protected, right on schedule. So there you have it, the oil change tricks I've personally tested, trusted, and used for years. Some are quick, some require a little more effort, but together, they can make your engine last over 50 million miles. If you want your car to outlive your neighbors without major repairs, these are the habits to start today. And drop a comment telling me which trick you're going to try on your next oil change. See you in the next video.